During the 70s, in a time where standardized programs did not exist and everything was custom built for each customer, 5 friends and co-workers from IBM decided to do something revolutionary: create standardized enterprise software in real time. They founded SAP. In 1979, SAP launched SAP R2, a packaged software application that processed real-time on a mainframe computer, integrating all of an enterprise's functions, such as accounting, manufacturing processes, supply chain logistics, and human resources. With the arrival of client-server computing, SAP released SAP R3 in 1992, which had a 3-tier architecture: the database, the application server, and the client. The development of SAP's internet strategy with mysap.com redesigned the concept of business processes, and as a result, in 2004, SAP replaced R3 with SAP ERP Central Component, also known as ECC. In 2010, through the Hasso-Plattner Institute, with support from Berlin University and Intel, SAP created HANA, an in-memory database. But let's take a step back for a second so we can understand why SAP created HANA. In the 70s, transactional databases were primarily designed for transaction processing and not suited to business intelligence. This led to the development of analytical databases in the 80s, which enabled multi-dimensional analysis. However, reports were always a day old and limited to pre-aggregated data. Business warehouse accelerators were deployed in the 90s, increasing the processing speed. However, problems remained with the granularity of data. This brings us back to the creation of HANA. HANA combines transactional and analytical data together, whilst holding the data in memory. Businesses can now gain real-time insights from any data at any time, without disrupting operational processes. In 2015, SAP launched SAP S4HANA Cloud, an ERP system in the cloud that only runs on HANA. The hyper-acceleration of commerce, the era of big data, and the surge of social media have all converged, creating new challenges and new opportunities. It's for this reason why SAP S4HANA Cloud is built with a digital core, one that empowers enterprises with real-time visibility into mission-critical business processes around their customers, suppliers, workforce, and assets such as IoT, big data, and supply chain. All of this allows businesses to reinvent business models, overcome complexity, establish closer business connections, and drive new revenues and profit. Contextual analytics, predictive capabilities, machine learning and AI, automation, next-generation business processes, a user interface that's modern and intuitive, a digital assistant to make life easier, accelerated innovation so that you're always leveraging the latest and greatest. S4HANA Cloud offers all of these features and more. It's SAP's next-generation intelligent ERP system in the cloud, and it's provided as a software as a service. 46 years ago, 5 men pioneered an industry, changing the way companies do business. This innovation is baked through the entire SAP portfolio and will continue to power SAP, ultimately allowing enterprises to become the best-run businesses for the future. Thank you for watching.